Imagine waking up in a world where robots handle your job, AI predicts your thoughts, and human decisions no longer matter. Sounds like a sci-fi movie? Well, this might be our future by 2025. AI is advancing at a shocking speed, replacing millions of jobs and even making life or death decisions. But should we be scared, or is this the biggest opportunity in history? Stay till the end to find out the truth. AI's evolution, from 1950s to 2025, setting the context. 1950s, first AI programs developed. 1997, IBM's AI Deep Blue defeats chess world champion. 2016, Google's AlphaGo beats human champions. 2023, ChatGPT and Midjourney start replacing creative jobs. 2025, experts predict AI will reach a whole new level. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a decision maker, a problem solver, and maybe even a ruler of the digital world. 3. The job apocalypse. Will AI replace you? Real-world impact. AI is coming for these jobs. Data entry clerks, customer support agents, cashiers, drivers, self-driving cars, graphic designers, AI art. But AI is creating new jobs. AI trainers, prompt engineers, AI ethics consultants, virtual world designers. According to studies, 85 million jobs will be lost to AI, but 97 million new ones will be created. The question is, will you adapt or be left behind? 4. AI and creativity. Can AI replace human intelligence? Mind-blowing examples. AI-generated art and music are competing with humans. AI can write books in seconds. AI models like ChatGPT solve coding problems faster than professionals. AI-powered robots like Amika can hold conversations like humans. But here's the real question. If AI can think, create, and even predict human emotions, what happens next? AI and human relationships. Can AI replace humans? Scary but real. AI girlfriends, boyfriends. AI chatbots are replacing real relationships. AI therapists. People are using AI to get mental health advice. AI influencers. There are AI-generated celebrities with millions of followers. Will we even need human connections in the future? Or will AI become our best friends, partners, and even family? AI's dark side, what experts fear. 11 or 13 were the dangers of AI. Deepfakes. AI can create fake videos of anyone. AI hacking. AI can break into security systems. Job loss crisis, millions may be unemployed. Autonomous AI weapons. AI could control deadly machines. Even Elon Musk has warned that AI could be more dangerous than nuclear weapons. If we don't control it, AI might become too powerful to stop. The future, should we be excited or scared? The final verdict. Positive side. AI can help cure diseases, solve global warming, and make life easier. Negative side. AI could lead to job losses, fake news, and privacy invasion. So will AI take over in 2025? The answer is, only time will tell. But one thing is clear. AI is here to stay, and we must be ready for the future. Comment below. Do you think AI is a good or bad thing? Like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech content.